What's up, guys? It's Dan from Dailey, here today to talk to those of you out there who may be interested in doing an upcoming kitchen renovation in 2024. Thought it would be a good time to talk about some of the trending things that we saw in 2023, some materials that we thought were popular, that we did a lot of kitchens with, just to help you guys out and get a better idea on what you might want to do with your kitchen. So we'll start out with the cabinets first. 2023, great year, had a ton of great renovations. Looking forward to doing it in 2024 again. But some of the ones I wanted to touch on were a lot of shaker style again, which is always super popular. Don't think it's going out of style anytime soon. But what we did notice is a lot of people going for more of like an off-white or a softer white versus the bright whites. So this is Dove from Fabuwood. This one was super popular. They're going to be offering this across all of their cabinet styles because it was so popular. Again, indigo, one of my favorite ones personally. Popular again, a lot of islands, full kitchens, bathrooms that we saw this in. So indigo, I think, is not going anywhere. It's still going to be a popular one for the foreseeable future. And then lastly, wanted to touch on timber, which was just offered in 2023. And they've already come out with different cabinet styles for this. I think this is one that's going to be super popular across the board. Stains are kind of coming back in, especially on islands. People looking for that farmhouse look. This is a great color. I think it's going to be popular for the future, and there's going to be a lot of people out there that are going to want to add this into it. Hardware, saw a lot of modern hardware. This one's called Stanton. We did a lot with this one, just simple, sleek colors. I mean, it just goes based off whatever you want to do in the home. But these modern ones, super efficient, super nice, match everything. From backsplashes, subway tile, still a big trend. But more into the brick look is what we saw. It gives you a little bit more of a rustic look. But we did a lot of kitchens with this kind of style, can do a different play on colors. But the brick style subway tile is what we saw a lot of. I think it's going to be popular again. And then lastly, tons of LVT. We did a lot of LVT over the last year. Noticed that a lot of people were going with the grays, so I pulled this one out. This is called Mist from Happy Floors. But think that's going to be something that's going to keep trending upward as well. LVT is super easy. It's affordable. It's easy install, really great quality stuff. Seen it in a lot of different homes, either throughout the home, in the kitchen. But we've done a ton of LVT, and I think we're going to continue to do a lot of LVT in the future as well. If you are someone that is interested in a home renovation, whether it's a kitchen, bathroom, anything like that, get in touch with us, guys. We are booking up for the first quarter right now, but we've got plenty of time. We will help you with everything from designing, measuring, full install, anything you guys need. So get in touch with us online, give us a call here, or stop into our showroom for a free consultation.